This is a Mercedes Sprinter van. I bought it a few weeks ago as a fridge van. When I first got it, I had no idea how much work I needed to do before I could start building it into a camper. For now, I've taken out the old insulation, removed some rust, painted the floor, and taken out the air conditioning. In this episode, you'll see how that went down. I'm taking out the air conditioning, the one that was in the back, and yeah, you have to be really careful when doing it. First depressurize it, and after that you can disconnect the compressor and all of the wiring and stuff, so you can remove it. If it's depressurized, it's quite easy to get out. You pretty much, well, in this system they installed a separate compressor with the belt tighter, and then the belt was installed to the main system, so it was running the air conditioning compressor for the back also. It was not connected anyway to the car's air conditioner, so that's really good thing, I think. That's good. Totally empty. Yay. We're inside. Yeah, there it is. Close it a bit. Is it recording? You're good. You're doing. You see, this one is the car own AC units pipes. So they have no coolant inside, as you can see. It has all gone out, and I need to, if I want to fix it, I need to find where the leak is and then have it refilled again. I'm almost finished with taking the air conditioning out. As you see, I still have to take out the wire on the left, the black one. It's disconnected from everywhere, so I just just have to pull it out and hope it comes through. The air conditioning itself is on the ground there. It should work. I think the only problem why it didn't work was this fuse box. At some point it got some water and burnt out the fuse. And what's left to do pretty much is clean all this thing up. These things, I hope they work. I'm just gonna give them also when I sell them. But what's left to do is unscrew the thing in there. So I got the off leak, you see it's totally empty now. I'll just try and pull this thing out. See how is it going here? Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh. Oh yeah, I should take this off also. I broke this kinda. Ah, that's what it's blocking. It's all underneath me, so I can't really pull it. Sand in my fucking face. Come on. Now, I think I should be able to do something. How the fuck? Oh, this shit is still here. Đâu có anh gì với anh này nè. Okay, they're sucking. Rồi mà yếu tại sao vô. Lalu situ aja siap-siap. Late. Yeah. Alright. Goodbye. Oh. Finally.